hello. This is Els coming in from Beamish Crafty Corner. And today I went Scaventure again. But I went to Tuesday morning, but I did also go to my outlet shop. And just as a quick, so you know, I got more of the canvas shapes. I got the flowers in, and I got in the circles. And the circles are pretty good sized. These little suckers are just under. They're like 1 7/8. So nice size on these. So I got those, and I got some more of the flowers. They didn't really have any of the hearts or anything like that. I think I still have a couple of sets of hearts left, but they will be in the shop, except for 4 sets of circles. Those are already sold. But they did have those. Now let's talk about what we got at Tuesday morning. Go ahead and watch a quick video of what I saw there today, and then I'll show you what I bought.
Yes. So let's take a look. So the first thing they've got is this powdered pigment set here from Vicky Booten for $6.99. Right? So they have that. Let's just put it over here. Now they have the King Art mixed media gel sticks in the 24 pack. This is twice what I got, guys, for $12.99. 2273018. If you missed my review on these, go back and check that out because these are a really good product. Let's see, anything else? Well, yes, of course. Here we go. We have the Montmartre Pastel and Charcoal Blender, 4 paper stumps and 3 paper tortillas. Subtle shading to any kind of a drawing for charcoals and pastels for $2.99. Good price, $221-7440 on those. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to jump over here real quick. So over here, there's a whole lot going on, guys, okay? Let's take a look at the first thing. So the first thing they have are these pour color kits. This is gilding, so it adds gold. It's got like foil sheets that you can add to your pours. This one is the pour painting mix for glitter. So it's got fine glitter, mica flakes, and tinsel powder in it. Then they also got in all of these pre-mixed pour colors. And they're $9.99, so you get 4 bottles for $10. The other thing that they have are these Montmartre varnishes. This is a glossy varnish for $5.99. This is a prism varnish. And the iridescent varnish, which is one of my favorites. So they have all of those in. They also have the Pour Art Assorted Toolkit for $11.99 from Pour Color. This one is 2265087 from American Crafts. And you can see it's got a couple of different blades in it and some, scrapers and things like that. So kind of cool on that one. Now let's take a look at a couple of other things that we got in. First was this. These are from Heidi Swap. This is boxed card sets for $5.99. These are your Christmas card base cards. This is what they look like on the back. And so you can use these to build cards, for your personal mailing. So those came in. They're $5.99 a box. Good deal. I have a couple of sets of them. I also found this. This one's Belle. This is the Disney Princess A6 stamps. You've got a whole bunch of stamps here. For $3.99, 212-9204. And then we have some pads. Now, I think we've taken a look at this one before. This is crate paper, 12 by 12 from the DIY shop. 48 sheets, single-sided. Let's take a quick flip. They get quite a few of these in. So I thought we'd take a look at it one more time. And then we also have the Pier for $6.99. Let's take a look at this one. And that's that one. I did notice there's a lot of stuff on clearance, guys. So if you have a Tuesday morning in your area and they have not done so yet, they will be putting the stuff into the clearance section. It's going to be 20% off. So just check it out.
All right, so what did I get? 2 Tuesday mornings today, guys. The first one I went to, I got this Boat Bunny, the Boat Bunny Noteworthy. This is for the um, Alice in Wonderland set. So I grabbed this, and this is the chipboard for the Land of Wonder. And, you know, I just bought the last 2 pads I could find, and I really love this set, and I use it often. So I figure it's not going to kill me to have an extra chipboard around. So I grabbed that. I found this from We Are Memory Keepers. It's typecast. It's a set of 6 tags. This does not have a number, a name on it, but basically they're like maps, like very faint maps on tags, and it's a decent sized tag. Now, since we're coming up with Christmas in July, I grabbed 2 sets, one from one store and one from the other. Like I went to the first store and I found one and I was like, okay, and I went to the second store and I was like, I know you've got one. So this is the Yuletide Carol collection from Bo Bunny. And let me just do a quick flip through here so you can kind of get an idea. It's very vintage Christmas. So this is 36 pages, single-sided, 6x6. I grabbed that. I have the 12x12. I also grabbed some Bo Bunny brads for the same collection. There's 19 pieces in here, so you get some brads and some, you know, banners and like some pretty brads and stuff. So I grabbed those. I also grabbed some gems from My Mind's Eye, 69 green dots. It's just, for me, I don't know. It's so hard to find green. And when I do find it, I grab it. So this was the only pack they had, and I grabbed them, you know. Then I grabbed this, which is the Yuletide from My Mind's Eye. And this is 6 sheets of double-sided 12x12 paper, plus a sticker set. There's the sticker set right there. And then there's your papers. There you go. So I grabbed that. And then I got this set here, which is called the Snow Day Kit. It is 8 12x12 papers, 2 sheets per design, and 1 coordinating sticker sheet. So I guess there's 16 pieces of paper in there. We'll have to look. But these are your 8 sheets right here. And these are like photorealism sheets. And then it comes with this set of stickers on the back. It's got some phrases down here and some corners. And then like some cut apart looking pieces and some tags, some more things, and some banners and some letters, all on snow background. So I grabbed those as well. Pretty light day, but they've had some pretty light trucks. Now trucks are beginning to roll for Tuesday morning. So just, if you're not getting anything in your store, be patient, okay? They are working. Now, here's a little bit of inside information. This kind of slipped for me today. So I have it from a little bird who told me that just before COVID hit, the craft buyer, for Tuesday morning that buys their stuff, quit. But they just hired somebody else in the corporate office to do that job. So at least for now, it looks like the craft department is sort of safe. It doesn't mean we need to stop. I need you guys to keep emailing Tuesday morning, email their CEO, let them know we want our craft department. We don't want it to go away. We love their craft department. We love the craft aisle. We love our videos. Point them to my channel, point them to other channels with people that do, you know, Tuesday morning hauls. Let them know that we are here. We are in number, and we like their department, their craft department, okay? That's it, guys. That was all I got on my Scaventure today. I'll be back out on it again next week for you. A couple of the stores said that their truck was going to be a little late, so I may actually do a video again this week. You may get a twofer. Until the next time, do me a favor, guys, if you would, please. And you haven't done it, hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.